No, really, this front is coming on through South Florida. We might hang on to it, but wow, was it nice in Florida, right? And a good while it lasted with warm temperatures. Now the front is coming in and bringing changes. We'll show you what you can expect here as this front clears the East Coast. It's going to bring a lot of rain today, and behind it, there's a little bit of cold air to bring some snow into interior parts of the Northeast, but a wet snow. Temperatures aren't that cold, and look at where we are for highs today. A lot of these highs will be early in the day, but still very warm along the eastern seaboard. You look at 59 degrees in New York City, in the 60s in D.C. Now, tomorrow's forecast, we watch our Clipper system here. This one doesn't have a lot of access to moisture, but it will be pushing in through the Ohio Valley, and it's going to be bringing some light snow. Watching Michigan again, you have some snow today. Detroit, you're going to get the chance for some snow tomorrow. And then another system behind it on its heels here across northern Minnesota into North Dakota. Still, though, there's, yes, chilly air up here, but it's not cold by January standards by any reach. And we're going to be watching for just some light snow out of this as we get you into your Sunday here in Minneapolis, watching early in the day. The St. Paul Winter Carnival going on, and you would love some snow, wouldn't you? Well, you at least get some colder air, I should say, 20 degrees for you as a high temperature for you on Sunday. Now, Monday, let's go into your Monday forecast here. The front is over. Our systems that are going through the Northeast here, they're pretty weak by this point. We're not going to be looking at a lot of impact, and things really quiet down for you across the East. The Northwest here, we're going to have a couple of days this weekend of pretty good weather, and then it starts all over again with system after system impacting us in the Northwest. Rain to Seattle, in fact, rain all the way down the coast into Oregon, getting you through your Tuesday. Tuesday's forecast, we watch another weak system coming in through the Midwest. By Wednesday, it taps into some Gulf moisture, and we're going to be watching for some moisture to come on up all the way into the Ohio Valley. Thursday, we'll track that to the eastern seaboard and the southeast. Chance of showers and maybe storms. It's always changing. It keeps us employed, Mike, right? So we have a front today going east. It is going to be bringing a lot of rainfall to the eastern seaboard, and it's been so warm, right, lately. While this front comes on through, it's going to bring in some cooler air. Not cold, just cooler air as we get into the weekend. So let's look at your temperatures. Look at, even behind the front, Chicago, you're still 40 degrees today. We are going to find temperatures in the 30s around Minneapolis, so while it's cooler than 40, it's still above average for a place like Minneapolis in late January. We take you out into the Saturday forecast, and you're going to see our second front coming through the Ohio Valley and the Northeast. It doesn't make any headway all the way to the eastern seaboard. It will bring some snow showers watching around the Louisville area. Indianapolis, we could see some light snow. Lots going on for the Super Bowl already this weekend in Indy, and you're going to see a little bit of snow late Saturday into early Sunday. Now, your Saturday temperatures, again, still running above average. 28 degrees in Minneapolis. Yes, it's cooler than we've been, but it's still above average. We've got above average readings into Chicago, Northeast as well. Your Sunday forecast brings some light snow showers to interior parts of the Northeast. More of a lake effect than anything, and we're going to be watching for this third system to come in and bring some light snow to you from Minneapolis to Chicago in the morning. Now, we take you out to the temperatures for you on Sunday. You've got 20 in Minneapolis, 31 in Chicago. In the south, you have 62 in Dallas, 57 in Atlanta. Again, still running above average in all of these spots. As we get into next week, the pattern again is the Northwest gets all of the action. More rain for you in the Seattle area. We have 46 degrees for you. The rest of the nation very quiet as you get into your Monday forecast. You're going to see a little bit of some light snow out there again around the lakes on Monday. Now we go ahead to Tuesday, and Tuesday's forecast brings our next system east coming through the lakes. It picks up moisture, warmth as well, 49 degrees in Chicago, but as it moves east, it's a pretty slow mover, so we'll see it pick up a little more moisture, and we bring in the chance for showers and again thunderstorms. Watching New Orleans, watching Birmingham, watching Atlanta for the rain as well. Temperature 67 degrees here as we get into your Wednesday forecast. We track that front east. It's again not going to move east very quickly, so we have 2 days worth of getting some rain here across portions of the south. The Tennessee Valley gets wet. Nashville, that includes you, 48 degrees on your Thursday and 65 again. More warmth to Florida, 81 in Orlando. Mike.
Now back to you.
Alex, thank you. I don't actually think yoga is relaxing.
It looks strenuous. What they were doing looks strenuous to me.
All right.
Still to come, spine-tingling.
Not making a secret about who she's rooting
My
for.
birthday's not that far away if you're looking for any kind of gift.
Your birthday passed already, Mike.
It's never too early. That's all I'm saying.
It's got like a year away. All right, coming up, we'll see what's happening on weather.com this morning.
Yeah,
that happened pretty quickly, Cleveland, though, didn't it? You're quickly changed from rain to snow, and it coated everything. It's a wet, sticky snow out there this morning. Now, let's show you what's going on. As we track our front east, you're going to be finding rain today. D.C., Philly, New York City, all the way up to Boston, all the way up to Portland, Maine. It is rain for you as the front moves east, and out ahead of it, we've got this warm air just surging in. It's pretty gusty out there with the winds today, and that's helping those temperatures warm up to 63 degrees today in D.C. Now, tomorrow, we're going to watch our second system come through the east, and that's going to bring some snow showers from Indianapolis in the morning. Columbus, you could get another shot of some light snow, but it will be very light. Our front hangs back in South Florida a little bit and brings you the chance for some showers. And then into Minnesota, we watch our next front come in. It's going to bring in some cooler air and also bring in the chance of some light snowfall. You'll see that on Sunday up here across the Dakotas. Also around the lakes, you'll see some snow, maybe some lake effect snow kicking in for your Sunday. Otherwise, the rest of the south is going to be very quiet through the rest of the weekend. And the northwest, we get a couple of days break too. So that's some good news for you before next week starts and our stormy pattern in the northwest starts all over again. You'll see it with rain on Monday in Seattle. Now on Monday in the east, you're going to find some interior snow across western New York, western Pennsylvania perhaps. Not going to be a lot of it. Keeping an eye on this next front that pulls out here into the plains on Tuesday. It's not going to be much of a weather maker on Tuesday other than to help those temperatures warm up across the Midwest. But as this thing moves east on Wednesday through the Ohio Valley, it brings rain and thunderstorms there and in the south on your Thursday.
Now back to you.
Alex, thank you.
So from one of the most stressful places in the airport to one of the most relaxing.
You know they have the back rub hub in Chicago at O'Hare.
I'm okay with that. Yoga, not so much. Looks stressful.
Well, this weekend, we're going to talk